Today you're going to be learning how to send a fax through your iFax.Pro enterprise account. To be able to utilize our iFax enterprise service and create a login, you must first go into your customer user portal and create a user following the steps below. Click Services at the top, then iFax, and then click iFax.Pro Enterprise. First, you want to create a group. To create a group, go to Groups, then Create New Group. Enter your group name short and the group name long. Click Create when done. Now, you're going to create a user. Next, click Users, then Create User. Enter the username, password, first and last name, and the email. Now, add the user to the group you've created. Then select if you want this user to be group admin. Click Create when done. Now, you're going to want to order an iFax DID. Go to DIDs, click Order DID, and then click Local iFax DID. Select the state and the rate center, or the city, and then select which DID you would like to use. You can add a note if you'd like. It is optional. You must first select iFax DID only, then click Create. Go back into the DID by clicking Edit on the far right. Change the account option to a fully functional iFax account. Then you can select the fax group and click Save when you're done. Now let's create a permission. Click Permissions, then click Add Permission. Choose your group, which user, and what number from that user. Then choose whether they're allowed to send, delete, view inbound, or view outbound faxes. Click Add when done. Now, you're going to log into your enterprise.ifax.pro account that you just created. Once you're in, you'll automatically be brought to this screen below. You're going to click the configuration button at the top and then click Authorized Emails to be able to add a notification email. Click the button in the top right corner, Add Authorized Email, or click the drop-down arrow and select Multiple Email. Add multiple. If you select to add only one email, enter the DID, enter the email address, and choose whether you would like this address to be able to receive and/or send. Or check off if you'd like to get notification only. Click Save when done. If you selected to add multiple emails, enter the DID and enter one email per line. Then choose whether you'd like these addresses to be able to send and/or receive. Click Save when done. Now we're going to go back into Configuration and click Users. There, you'll be able to add as many users as you would like to this account. Click the button in the top right corner, Create User. Enter the username, password, first and last name, and the email. You can also choose whether this is a company admin. Click Submit when done. Now that you've created the permission for your user in the customer portal, you can add a user permission into your enterprise account. Go to Configuration at the top one last time and click Users Permissions. Click the Add User Permission in the top right corner. Select the user, DID number, and select whether they can view inbound faxes, view outbound faxes, and send or delete faxes. Then click Save when done. It's time to send a fax. Click Send a Fax at the top of the screen. You're going to click the button Add Files, and then find the file you want to add. Select the DID, put in the destination number, and click Add, then select the notification email. You can also select if you want to add a cover or not. Click Save when you're done. Confirm you've attached the correct file you would like to send by previewing the PDF. Click Send when you're ready. Please note that larger faxes will take longer to send. You'll notice that the status says Sending, but in order to see if it has sent, you must keep reloading the page. That's it! You've completed the walkthrough of setting up your Enterprise iFax account.